Sorry? Oh, yeah. With my new body, JBL Tune 520 BT. It's not just a headset, it supports me after 57 hours. Even though sometimes I forgot to charge this fully. Oh, by the way, it takes up to 2 hours to charge its full capacity. Even though I can change the length I want. Even though it has a flexible moving capacity up to 180 degrees, it is totally convenient and comfortable to me. It's 5.3 version Bluetooth supported, even though I can move around up to 10 meters when I connect it to my device. It has so many features. Active noise cancellation, multi-point connection, microphone, and even music customization. Makes it a distinctive machine I've ever used. Oops, I forgot to tell you one last thing. It is 157 grams only.